Michael, it's great to have you. For those that don't know, you're a founder as well. You started Anchor, sold it to Spotify, ran their talk business, obviously a leader in podcasts. Why are you doing venture now, and why in New York City?
Yeah, thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much for having me. Like you said, it's a big day for technology startups and the New York City tech ecosystem. We announced that I'm joining Lightspeed today. We announced that we're opening up a new office here in New York City. And yeah, we think New York City is an amazing place to have an office. We view it as the hub to the rest of the world. When founders from all over the world come to the US, they often stop in New York. And having started a company here myself, Anchor, I can tell you that it's a really great community and great ecosystem. So I'm really excited for this next chapter of my career and to invest in lots of amazing companies with Lightspeed.
Are people actually going to be working in the office?
You know, there's really no replacement for working live face-to-face in the office. But for even the companies that are working distributed and working remotely, there's still tons of activity and tons of meetings that are taking place right here in New York City. So absolutely. As you mentioned, I recently ran the talk business at Spotify after building and founding Anchor, the world's biggest podcasting platform. And I can tell you, even recently when I was still at Spotify, there were many of us in the office. And like I said, you really can't replace that in-person connection.
So Lightspeed is known for a lot of the investments. We're putting them up on the screen as well. Early investor in Snap, I would add. What are you eyeing in the New York area when it comes to categories and areas for growth? Because we are at this sort of interesting period where a lot of technology in the startup scene is hurting right now, and valuations have come down.
So I'll be focused mostly on the consumer sector when I'm working with Lightspeed, but it's really a collaborative firm. It's a global firm, and we all work collaboratively, cross-sector, cross-geo. You know, technology really never rests. Despite whatever the market is doing, technology companies are always being built and they're always being pushed forward. And I think Lightspeed is in a fantastic position to be the top venture capital fund of the future. It's a truly global firm. We've been global for more than 15 years. We have deep domain expertise across a number of different sectors. We're a true partnership, a big flat organization, not just a handful of individuals. And we have full stack support. We recently raised $7 billion in capital to invest across all stages, which, you know, whatever the market conditions may be, having $7 billion to deploy is going to be really, really helpful over the next few years.
But what are you finding in terms of the startup ecosystem and how it's been impacted by the volatility in the public market, of course, especially in the tech sector?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, so I've actually been angel investing for the past couple of years. And even up until I accepted this job, you know, I was doing a number of really exciting deals. I've done about 50 over the past couple of years. And like I said, technology companies won't stop being built, right? Technology is sort of how we as a collective humanity innovate and push ourselves forward. So we're seeing lots of exciting companies across consumer, enterprise, fintech, health, growth. There's a lot of really exciting things going on in the media and consumer sector, especially given some of the recent announcements from some of the big platforms towards recommendation media, more algorithmic content discovery. So it's really a great time to be building a company, and I'm excited to get to work.